Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain you how to make money through investing in stock market. So in this video I'll walk you through my portfolio holdings and will also guide you how to pick the high quality stocks by following institutional data and make good returns with investing in stock market. So let's dive into the portfolio. So here is a Nifty chart. You can see that currently the Nifty is touching close to 14,600 and it's almost about to touch 15,000 level. So it was a crazy rally in the market in the past 6 to 8 months. So in these 6 months, I invested some of the stocks which are high quality. So you can see here are some current holdings which I'm holding from the past 6 months, and these are Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Axis Bank, and another is CPSE ETF. Recently, I published a video about how I made a 40% return by investing in stock market, where I explained you how I picked these particular stocks by looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty and picking up the large cap stocks which are having high weightage in Nifty and Bank Nifty indices. You can check out this video where you will see that how I picked this particular stock. So in this video, I'll explain you why am I holding this stock currently and how did I make this return just by following the institution data. So you can see that I bought around 100 quantity of HDFC Bank, Infosys, Reliance, and Axis Bank, and around 300 quantity of CPSE ETF. So I invested close to around 3,17,000 in this particular investment, and I made close to 5,54,000, which is 2,36,000 in profits, which is 74.29. It was a crazy return because of the crazy rally which we saw in the Nifty over a period of 6 to 8 months. So let me just walk you through how I picked these particular stocks and also give you an insight that how you can follow the institution data and make money just by following them in equity investments. I'll not go in depth about all the technical parameters. I'll give you a very simple method that you can also follow and make very good returns in equity investments. Reliance has given close to 94%, HDFC Bank has given close to 50%, and Infosys has given close to 124%, and ETF has given around 40%. It was one of the biggest returns which I had just by investing in equity by following the institutional data. So I just picked these large caps which are following the Nifty, like Reliance and HDFC Bank are related to Nifty. So whenever the Nifty rallies, the Reliance and HDFC Bank will also rally. So HDFC Bank is also the large cap for Bank Nifty also. So you can see I started investing in the Reliance somewhere whenever the Nifty was showing the strength by breaking this level of 10,500. So I invested the Reliance at the price of close to around 1008, and currently it's trading at 1960. It almost touched 2200, but I did not book the profit because investing is a different art. Trading is a different art. I do trade in options, weekly and monthly options. So here are some of the positions which I traded for this week. Yes, it was a loss of close to 9,800. But options, you may win sometimes, you may lose sometimes. But at the end of the day, trading is a different art, investing is a different art. You need to know that how to invest in stock market and also how to trade in the stock market to compound your wealth in the long run. So how did I pick these investments? What is the logic behind these investments? I just follow the institutional data and see what they are doing, and I just follow them and make the investments in good quality stocks and make the returns. So I'll tell you a simple method which you can also follow and make good returns with equity. So for that, I use a tool called which is an Stockage. It's a very good platform for you to make the analysis for picking the stocks. So this is the Stockage website. Once you go to this website, you can see this is the homepage of this particular website. In this, there is a section called FII Cash. You just need to see what the institutions are doing currently. So you can see on this day, on 13th of June 2021, the institutional traders have bought close to 1800 crores in cash segment. So let me walk you through what are the different segments they are trading and who are those FIIs. So you can see here, this is the activity on Wednesday of 13th of Jan. You can see the FIIs have bought close to 1879 crores. DIs have sold around 2370 crores. Index futures and index options and stock options. So basically, FIIs are nothing but a foreign institutional investors who are trading in Indian stock market in futures and options segment. We just need to see what they are doing. They are not only trading in futures and options, but they are also investing in the cash market. We just have to follow what they are doing by reading their pattern. So I'll tell you how to read that. So you can see here the FIs trade in cash, They trade in options, they trade in futures, and also they trade in stock options. So in this is called as a cash market, CM. So once you click on this cash market, you can see the daily buying which is happening by the FIs. There are two big players in the market. One is FIs and other is DIs. DIs are nothing but domestic institutional investors. These are, let's take an example of domestic institutional investors such as LIC or mutual fund companies which are trading in Indian stock market. The FIs are the institutional traders who are trading in the global market. So the reason why I followed institutional traders because they are the major players in F&O segment, and I've been trading futures and options for a period of 5 years, and I've been consistently trading the weekly and monthly options. Where through this knowledge and through this experience, I could able to read the pattern of which stocks they are buying, how they are buying, when they are buying, and whether they are holding. Then you should have to follow them and make money along with them. So you can see this is the daily buying which they are doing from the past 2 to 3 months. You can see that on a day they are buying around 2,000 to 300, 3,000 crores in cash segment. This is only in the cash segment. You can see it was one of the biggest or the longest buying rally by the institutional traders. That is the reason you can see the Nifty has rallied from almost 10,500 to almost close to 15. It is touching close to 15,000 level. So let us now go in detail about how to read their sentiment. So in this, you can see there is a daily activity, there is a monthly activity, and there is a yearly activity. You just have to see on a monthly basis what they are doing. So let's first start with the yearly basis. You can see that on 2018, they sold heavily 73,000 crores in the Indian stock market. So this was one of the good opportunity for investors to dig into the market. But the investments what I'm doing or what you can also do is that you can just follow them on a monthly basis. It will be more easy for you to follow, that you don't need to wait for 3 to 5 years to pick the right opportunity. For that, let's go to the monthly basis and let us see that what they are doing on a monthly basis. So you can see on the monthly basis in the month of March during the pandemic, they sold close to 65,800 crores. It was one of the biggest selling by the institutional traders. So when you should buy into the stocks and what stocks you should buy. So for that, you can see here, you just have to compare when was the biggest selling which has happened by the institutional traders. If you go back and see historically, right, in the month of October 2018, there was close to 30,000 crore. And again, if you go back and see to September 2017, for every 3 to 6 months or 3 months, there will be huge selling by the institutional traders. And after that, there will be buying pattern. So you can see here, when I was watching this pattern, in the month of March, it was close to 65,000 crore selling. But in the month of May, they started buying into the stock market. So that is where I also entered into the stock market, where I started investing in large cap stocks which are traded in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And I just followed them just by picking those high quality stocks at the right price. And I'm currently holding this particular stock. So these are the stocks which I picked, such as Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Axis, and CPS ATF. So you can see currently I've achieved close to 74% just by following the institutional traders. So currently you can see that this was one of the biggest selling. And after that, you can see there is not much selling by the institutional traders. Every month on month, they are buying close to 10 to 15,000 crores in the cash segment. In fact, in the month of November, it was one of the biggest buying which has happened, close to 65,000 crores. And also in the month of December, close to 48,000 crores. And in the January, it is 14,000 crores. So you can see there is a huge buying pattern we are observing in the institutional traders. So as an investor, what you should do in this current scenario? So currently you just have to watch out when they will start selling. Whenever they start selling or whenever they start booking the profit in the equity stock market or cash market, you just have to exit along with them. For that, you just have to follow their pattern. Like you can see that for every 3 months or every 6 months, there will be selling which will start. And they will not sell immediately, they will start profit booking. They will start booking the profit on a monthly basis. And at that time, if you just know technical analysis about how to figure out the downtrend by using some simple moving averages, like you can see here for the Nifty. Currently, I use some moving averages which is 50-day and 200-day. You just have to see when the Nifty breaches the 50-day moving average, and that is the time you just need to exit the current positions. Till then, you just ride the rally, sit back, and make the money. So if you are new, if you want to invest in stock market, or if you want to buy high quality stock and want to find good opportunities, then you just have to go through this website and just follow whenever they start selling, right? And after the selling, if you see a buying pattern of close to 5,000 or 8,000 crore, that is the month you should pick some good quality stocks and just follow them. This is one of a very simple trick which you can follow if you want to start investing in the equity stock market. And again, what matters is picking the high quality stocks. So in this example, you can see the holdings which I'm holding. These are all high quality stocks. Reliance, HDFC, Infosys, Axis Bank, and ETF. The reason why I picked ETF because it is also a combination of multiple stocks which are traded in the stock market. So these are one of the very good stocks which you can invest and make money within just by following institutional traders. And also, how you will check that whether the institutions are buying into these particular stocks? You can again go to this website and you can see here, if you go to the equities tab, then you go to Nifty, and once you click on Nifty, you can able to see what are the stocks which are currently trading in the Nifty. So when I click on Nifty, you can see that, and these are some of the stocks which are having called as a large cap, which are having the high weightage in the Nifty. So these are stocks like I picked Reliance, I picked HDFC Bank, I picked the Infosys, and also I picked the Axis Bank. So this is how you can pick some high quality stocks and just follow the index and make money just by investing in stock market. And also you can check for each individual stock whether the institutional traders are holding or not. For that, you just have to go to that particular stock, and then if you go here to the shareholding, and you can see the FIS have 25% share in this particular stock. So this gives a clarity that institutional traders bought heavily in this particular stock that led to the rally in the Nifty. And also you can check for all other stocks like I picked up, let me give some more examples like HDFC Bank. So you can go here and you can click on HDFC Bank, and in this again go to the shareholding. We have the FIs who have 39.35% stake. You can also see that when the FIs are buying and whether the institutional traders are increasing their stake or not. You just have to pick these kind of stocks which institutional traders are holding on a consistent basis and they are accumulating that particular stock. So this is a simple way which you can follow this and make good returns just by investing in equity, and just you can just follow Nifty and Bank Nifty and pick some 5 to 10 stocks which are high quality, and you can make compounded returns for every 3 months, for every 6 months just by following the institution data. Right. So this was about it for today's video. I hope you found value in this video, and if you like this video, if you can click on thumbs up, so that in the upcoming days I'll be sharing a lot more insights about how to make money through futures and options and also through stock market. So again, options, sometimes it's a winning game and sometimes it's a losing game, but if you follow a systematic procedure or if you follow a systematic strategy, that will make you money as a trader also in the long run. So if you are interested to learn more about futures and options, you can visit my website tradepsychology.com, where we have a free course about how I make money trading futures and options.